Yes, salut daholo. Yeah, salut daholo a. Raha orbary. Anao vola testakela zany a. Ity indray a Facebook Live VS record. Misakady ve le Facebook Live satria dia aorianan'izay mety hanao vola an'le fanampanantenana iny hoe Madagascar 822 tanina Masanga. Dia faly miarabantsika manaraka an'le live Facebook Live VS record. Zay tsara ihany ny tazoma, zay vidéo ratsy sorana. Ok.
Thomas, level 150, 51 pp with towards 407.
Leicester 500, start approved. QNH 1023, report taxi.
49.23, connect taxi 500.
Ok. Rehefa aloha dia misaotra anay voalohany dia checklist an'ilay parence complete ity a. Dia natao tamin'ny Excel.
Avec Colima, you're number 1, report final on.
Anomboka aritsika before start checklist. Parking brake set. Avionics off. Gear down and handle.
Station call internal.
4 flaps. 4 flaps. Open.
400, report 150 outbound.
Off. Fuel selector.
150 outbound,
Buff. All buff. Battery alternator as circuit breaker. Check. Battery and alternator on. Fuel quantities. Check. Full. Beacon light on.
00 taxi, whiskey taxiway for runway 11, report holding point.
On light on. Enough light. I can see away on. Okay,
Colima clear to touch 11,
let's
wind
start.
150 degrees, 8 knots, and right turn.
Right turn out after morning Colima.
Can I confirm Alpha Yankee safe on ground around Vinarazu?
Okay. Blurs full.
Thank you.
Engine left. Earth mixture full. Okay. Engine right.
Flight level 150 via Ixari, stop 111, Istanbul Charlie 5
Okay, after start, engine started, check all pressurization.
Capacity 0, reply correct, squawk 5464,
Okay,
and down line up runway 11 and wait.
all pressurization is
Conditioner? Station conditioner?
Okay, after start checklist avionics on beacon lights and beacon and light on, parking brake,
Standby. Brake Madagascar 500, are you ready for departure?
check.
Madagascar 500, take off runway 11, wind 150 degrees 9 and up.
After start checklist completed. Dawaria veloma luni fata. Okay.
Congo Sierra, you're number 1, wind 150 degrees 9 and up. QNH 1023, report final 11.
Number 1 for landing, QNH 1023, call final approach runway 11, Juliet Tango Sierra. On right hand, Norman.
Rico Lima, you are number 2 behind Lima 410. Zulu Sierra Alpha Congo Sierra on left hand downwind runway 11, report traffic inside.
Number 2 behind the traffic, Zulu Tango Sierra. Report K9, traffic will be on site behind Colima.
Car 702, revert runway 11 in use, wind 150 degrees, 7 knots, temperature 242.11, QNH 1023, report
Flight can. Okay. Up Romeo Lima Fox. Estimate 10 minutes. Circuit pattern. Environ 5 heures. Okay. Let's start.
Papa Sierra,
Connect. Let's gather the information. Traffic pattern. Around 8. General deviation.
Papa Sierra, take a fuel endurance.
Here first. Circuit pattern.
For your person, report traffic level
information. Kilo 1730. Zulu weather. Wind 126 at 5. Caution. Wind shear alert 10 miles southwest of Foxtrot. Mike, India. Visibility 10. Sky condition 1700. Scatter. Ceiling 1000. Broken. Light rain. Thunderstorms in the vicinity. Temperature 17. Dew point 16. QNH 1020. Advise on initial contact that you have information. Kilo Foxtrot. Mike, India. Airport information. Kilo 1.
Okay.
Colima, report final behind.
Next call, final behind Colima.
Papa Sierra, Ivat, taxi, Whiskey taxi for runway 11, wind on fast 0 degrees 8 knots, QNH 1023, tank 0808, report holding point.
QNH 1023 for runway 11, next holding point Whiskey taxi, Papa Sierra.
Madagascar 500, airport at 07, contact and approach 1257, bye.
Traffic around. Okay, so let's go.
Club flight level 150 via Ixtari and report for estimate. For the estimate Ixtari, select to it, destination rectangle, select from 0. Valencia 500, the approach estimate. Continue report mission 150. On next flight level 150, Madagascar 1500.
Multi point is good. Okay, before takeoff checklist. Full position.
Wind 120 degrees 8 knots.
Instrument check. Frequency check. Next to reach. Run up test. Let's go. Let's do in the run up test. Okay.
Tango Sierra, taxi to Whiskey taxiway, report holding point behind the
Throttle 2200. Maximum drop 200 for the ARMP. Left, okay. Right, okay. Throttle 1700. I need to check. Okay. Wait a minute,
Left.
Bon, disons l'étude de l'année, c'est quand tu es right.
Left circuit.
Okay. 1% idle throttle.
Direct track, 60 miles, 0
Currently
meters,
notes.
runway 11, so much by the left.
Left. Let's work. Total 1%. Okay. RMP 1000.
Sierra, clear for takeoff runway 11, wind 170 degrees, 7 knots. Rico Lima, you're number 1, report final 11.
Okay. Run up test completed. And flap electric trim.
Tango Sierra, hold position, got it back.
Okay, check. Flaps take off. Okay. Control that.
Tango Sierra, hold position, got it back.
Door closed and locked. Left. Okay. Set. Before takeoff checklist completed. Okay, release tracking brake and let's go.
Would you mind checking November Tango NTP on 370
Yes.
kilo? Okay, some time.
Confirm there is no traffic around.
370,
So
370 is working.
let's give the information to run 158. Line up. 1111. Fox Mike India.
Sierra, Imas, behind the landed traffic at the backtrack runway 11 to vacate Zulu. Alpha Romeo Alpha Papa Sierra, airport at 14, contact approach on the fastest.
We're going to the
level 100, direct flight cross, estimated 60 miles south, 0,
left axis.
155, 0915, flight call will be 0935. Alfa Passerata la torcia, estimated copy, report reaching flight level 100. And next call, reaching flight level 100.
Okay. Just a little bit information takeoff. Runway 11 Fox Mike India.
Could you confirm one check, please?
All is left.
Turn.
Next, reaching 100.
11, report holding point.
Yeah, just.
Trip 845 waiting range, contact drop 19041.
Low.
Okay, Colima, clear to touch 11, wind 19 degrees, 11 knots, left turn. 2.12, Greenwich 1023, train of peak. North
Yeah,
coast 150 miles.
That's good to plan.
Down flight level 180, via Ixaco, after board runway 11, Victor Charlie by the right and avoid prohibited areas. Read 5 correct, line up for runway 11, report ready.
After takeoff checklist. Ways in. First gear up, flaps up, 4 flaps open, prop 2750, cruise, crow flaps up. Musim habis di Turkey Lines lama.
Maxima Bravo sana. Taxi via Zulu Taxiway, Taramban, transfer to Niner to vacate Whiskey, QNH 1023. More step for your request.
Stop. Okay. Let's begin our descent.
Maintain flight level 100 and report at 60 miles
down. Okay. Flaps pull
Kalima
down.
11 with 140 degrees 8 knots left.
Four flaps close.
Hike Madagascar 702 and for 23 contact the from 7 star.
Prop like airing T. Like set. Okay. Mzelu yanatoa Zanetis landing Vanis Nanakiana Bay. Arda Dota Undi. Savara Duato Soft.
Madagascar 702 on approach, good morning, Rata 735. Climb flight 7180 via Ixaku and report for it. Madagascar 702 on approach, estimates copied, report reaching flight 7180.
Mike Lima Bravo Tana.
This is on the Summit Peter Charlie Jansikan. Kalau makan Indian. Charlie, Cummins, yeah. Charlie get up.
So Mike Lima Bravo Tana. From the Mike Victor Oscar Tana.
Landing light. Looks better. Landing stroke after helicopter crystal light set. Flaps up. Flaps close. Boost pump up. Start to 0. Okay. 0. Let's call our follow me. Runway package. Runway. Pick up. Echo. This Charlie. Okay. Smooth India. Tuxedo. General Aviation Parking. Oxygen beyond for the
Madagascar 715 on approach, descent flight level 1.
There is this
Zero,
one.
report reaching.
Yes.
No Delta 20 right now.
Request follow me.
5 Kilo Delta on approach, Roger, avoid proximity areas and contact tower 120 on contact. Over the tower, 5 Kilo Delta.
This one. Yes, once again. Info tonga follow me. Let's go. Come on. Follow the martial law. You're following the martial law. koa le fiara za hoe za mandeha miadana kely Nermati. Kulis manta. Manda manca. Capitano manda da uomo aeromarino. Sì, uomo aeromarina. Tanana le marshal sali yo donc c'est ça discuti taxi deal adesso Okay, flight is over. Parking brake on. Shutdown checklist. Parking brake set to propeller. Head RPM full comfort for the next off. Local information. Okay, good day. Comfort of the next off next to handle and cut off. Magneto. And start switches.
51 degrees towards 1
Off. Battery alternator.
Alaska 500
Off. Okay.
start approved. QNH 1023 report taxi.
Okay. Sotra nanaraka an'le live Capital eo fanamariana. Thank you for watching this Facebook live and YouTube video because I upload it to YouTube. And see you next time. Malagasy Flight Simmers. Cheers. Yes. Lui pokando plan fa Dalo peta kata ulem seni io amizay iran'orany araka ny malagasy flatsimers tapitra ny video atsika andakeo no good day